Hello, this is Naresh here. So, we are living in a world of information where the data is the new oil. People will say that, and some people saying that data is a oxygen. But we have generating the data that we never imagined few years back. We need a systems. They should be able to capture, store and process it. And when we started few decades back, we have a relational database management systems was invented, RDBMS. So those were able to store these structured data, and they will able to scale to the needs. Those were the times. But due to this revolution of the internet and mobiles, social media, the data generated is very huge, and we do not have a system to store these huge amounts of data in a single machines. So some distributed in processing data processing systems were introduced, and Hadoop is one of the first distributed system introduced, which will allow us to store both the structured and unstructured data. And people call it as an Hadoop as in a data lake, where you can dump all the things, both the structured and unstructured data, that will solve your scalability issue and data accessibility issue with the computation issue because of the distributed processing. But the challenge is, what if we wanted to get the same kind of the performance or the features that you are getting out of the DBMS systems that you have been using for the quite some time? So you there are some solutions available in the market. You can go some vendor product, and then you can buy them and then start implementing it. But the challenge here is that you were locked to that system. You were locked into those process that he was defined, and you don't get much flexibility of your data. Maybe that system, the platform was designed for a specific use case in mind, then it will work for only for those use cases. And then if you have, these if you see these for the past few years, the number of technologies are coming, and the redundant technology, I don't say it's a redundant, the number of tools are coming into the market is huge, and each one is bringing their specific to a specific problems. These problems are going to be so we if you have your data with only one vendor system, then you cannot leverage these other tools that are coming into the platform, into the market. So you need to have a system, your data platform, that should be more open, flexible and scalable. So if you demystify these existing products that vendors have the solution, they all have the certain layers in their system. One is the storage, one is the format, and there is a table format, and there is a catalog, and there is a compute engine, and other one is a storage engine that we can that's come into the storage part. So this way we can we have to we what if we can build, pick and choose these each layer components that fits into each layer, then can build a system that's best fits our use case, is what the composable lake house. To store the data, you can have something in an AWS S3, and to have the data in a analytics efficient format, you have in a Parquet. And on top of that, if you wanted to give in a transactional analytical capabilities, you can put in a table format. And then when you put the table format, you need a system to store this metadata, that you call it as a catalog. And then to consume this data and process that, you need a compute engine. You can use the Spark or any other processing engine that is available. That's about the very quick introduction about the composable lakehouse, and we can go into more details.